All right, solving this problem. We can use the quadratic formula. You can treat a as you would for just x or something. So opposite of b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this instance, our a is going to be 2 and our b is actually 1. So negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared, or just 1 minus 4 times 2 times negative 3 all over 2 times 1, so just 2. So negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1. So this ends up being plus 8, 24, 25 all over 2. So this ends up being negative 1 plus or minus 5 all over 2. So we end up with negative 6 over 2 and 4 over 2. So negative 3 and 2. So we get x plus 3. Oops. We get a plus 3 and a minus 2. I got really careful here. The thing about the quadratic formula is a root may be true even though it gives you a different result. Shucks. I kind of did something wrong. Can't really figure it out. But what we end up with actually is a minus 1 and 2x, or 2a plus 3. So it should be, actually everything's halved. I don't know how I got that. Oh, you know what? I know what I did wrong. There should be a 4 on the bottom. Technically, I was right. All right, so there should be a 4 on the bottom. So if I do that, everything reduces down. So this becomes negative 3 halves, and this becomes 1. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that's where I made my mistake. So a minus 1 and then 2a plus 3, which looks a lot like answer C. All right, I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.